Hello, good morning everyone. Today we discuss about some terms of metallurgy. Metallurgy. What is metallurgy? The process of extraction and isolation of the metal from its naturally occurring materials is called metallurgy. Metallurgy is the process of extraction and isolation of metal from its naturally occurring material is called metallurgy. Metallurgy compares of three steps. First one is concentration of ore. Second one is isolation of metal from the concentrated ore. Third one, purification of metal. Basic terminology of metallurgy. First one is minerals. A solid, naturally occurring inorganic substance formed by geological process is called mineral. The compound of metals formed in natural associated with earthly impurities like mud, sand, stones, etc. are called minerals. Like example, hematite and magnetite, iron pyrites are minerals of ore. Minerals of iron ore. Minerals of iron ore. Minerals of iron ore. Now, ore. The naturally occurring minerals. The naturally occurring minerals from which a particular metal is extracted conveniently and with minimum cost. Mineral is called ore. Mineral which is separated metal from mineral. Selected material is called ore. Flux. It is a chemical cleaning agent used for purification of the ore. Flux. A chemical substance added to the ore to remove impurities in the form of fusible mass by lowering the melting point of ore is called flux. Like some fluxes are silicon dioxide, phosphorus trioxide, calcium oxide, iron oxides, iron trioxides, these all are fluxes. These flux are classified two types, acidic flux and basic flux. A chemical substance used to remove basic impurities like iron oxide, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide is called acidic flux and basic flux. A chemical substance used to remove acidic impurities like silicon oxide, phosphorus pentoxide, so on. These impurities removed by using basic flux, and basic flux. Slag. What is a slag? A fusible mass formed by the reaction of flux with gangue is called slag. What is a slag? Waste matter separated from metal during the extraction of ore. How it is waste metal separated? By adding flux. The reaction between gangue and flux to form slag. What is a gangue? Gangue particles. The earthly materials and undesired chemical compound associated with the ore is called gangue, which is unused compound associated with the ore particles is called gangue. The most common gangue materials are quartz, calcite, fluorite, siderite, etc. The methods of extraction of metals depends on the nature of impurities and manner in which they are bonds to ore. The separation of minerals from gangue is known as mineral processing. These are important terms we are using in metallurgy process: mineral, ore, gangue, flux, slag. Thank you.